सच्चाई देश के सामने है और ये जो लड़ाई है ये राजनीतिक नहीं है, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की लड़ाई है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बचाने की लड़ाई है, वन मैन वन वोट की लड़ाई है। इसीलिए हमें साफ प्योर वोटर लिस्ट चाहिए।
It all started with Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's big allegation.
It is critical that we expose voter chori. इस कैंपेन का पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. Please support this campaign fully.
Opposition's next mission, voter Adhikar Yatra. Rahul Gandhi is back on the road, this time in Bihar, kicking off a 16-day march that could set the tone for the state's upcoming elections. Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra, which means Voter Rights March, begins from Sasaram in Bihar on August 17th on Sunday. Rahul's march comes amidst strident protests being held by the opposition parties within parliament and outside over the Election Commission's special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar. Hearing a clutch of petitions challenging the Bihar SIR, the Supreme Court in its interim order on Thursday directed the EC to make available online a searchable list of about 65 lakh voter names omitted from the draft electoral rolls with reasons for their deletion.
मैं आपको इस स्टेट से कह रहा हूं कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान में विधानसभा के चुनाव, लोकसभा के चुनाव चोरी किए जा रहे हैं और इनकी आखिरी साजिश ये है कि बिहार में एसआईआर करके नए वोटरों को जोड़कर, वोटरों को काटकर ये बिहार का चुनाव चोरी करें। और मैं और हम सब स्टेट से आपको कहने आए हैं कि हम इन्हें ये चुनाव चोरी नहीं करने देंगे। और बिहार की जनता चोरी नहीं करने देगी। क्यों? क्योंकि गरीबों के पास, कमजोर लोगों के पास सिर्फ वोट है।
चुनाव आयोग पिछले कई महीनों से कह रही है कि वोटर लिस्ट में कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं है, एकदम टकाटक है वोटर लिस्ट, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जब नेता प्रतिपक्ष कह रहे हैं कि गड़बड़ी है और आप जांच कीजिए, अगर आप नहीं जांच कर सकते हैं तो हमको डेटा दे दीजिए, हम जांच कर लेंगे। जब उनको पता चला कि वोटर लिस्ट की जांच हो रही है तो गड़बड़ी तो निकलेगी, क्योंकि ये गड़बड़ी करके बैठे हुए हैं। तब उन्होंने कहा कि गड़बड़ी को रोकने के लिए तो एसआईआर कराया है।
Ahead of the Bihar polls, which are just months away, Rahul's march seems to be first major effort for mass mobilization on the ground by the opposition Mahagathbandhan, which in the state is led by the Rashtriya Janata Dal (RJD) and comprises the CPI-ML, CPI, CPIM and Mukesh Sahani's Vikashsheel Insan Party, besides the Congress. The Yatra is being billed as a united show of strength. The march, which is being modelled on Rahul's Bharat Jodo Yatra and Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, will pass through 23 districts covering 50 assembly segments in 29 Lok Sabha constituencies across several regions of Bihar. Rahul would traverse a distance of over 1,300 kilometers during his yatra, which would be undertaken both on foot and by vehicles. Key faces of the Congress's Mahagathbandhan allies, such as RJD leader Tejashwi Prasad Yadav, would periodically join Rahul in the course of his march. The Yatra starting point, Sasaram, is crucial for the opposition alliance as it falls in its bastion of Sahabad. It would cross through the Mahagathbandhan strongholds in the Magadh, Ang, Simanchal, Mithila, Tirhut and Saran regions, culminating in a rally at Gandhi Maidan in Patna on September 1st. The assembly segments on the Yatra route are a mix of strongholds and swing seats for the opposition alliance. In the keenly fought 2020 Bihar Assembly polls, the incumbent Nitish Kumar-led NDA won the polls by winning 125 seats of the state's 243 as against the Mahagathbandhan's 110 seats. Of the 50 assembly seats along the Yatra route, the opposition alliance currently has 21 seats. In 2020, the RJD had contested 23 of these 50 seats and won 12. The Congress had then contested 22 of them, but managed to win only 7. The left parties together had contested 5 seats, winning 2. The Yatra, therefore, is not just a show of unity, but also a bid to reclaim lost ground in Bihar's most contested belt. That's all for now. For more such news updates and explainers, stay tuned to the Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.